Hi everyone, my name is Madison Taylor, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you some essential summertime outfits. Think of like you're going to a wedding and you're not sure what to pack. You have to bring something maybe a little bit more formal but beachy. This would be the perfect like beach wedding pack list if I were you. Everything is actually by DREESSIN. They are going ahead and sponsoring this video today, so I'm going to go ahead and link all the outfits down below, and don't want to miss out on those special details and rewards. I'm going to be putting links again below and explaining the program, so want to go ahead and shop those because everything is under $10, which is amazing. So you can go ahead and not feel like you're breaking the bank if you guys are packing for like a special event, a wedding, whatever it is. You want to go ahead and make sure to get those rewards. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the video. You guys, look at this detail on this dress over here, and can you believe it? This outfit right here, everything is under $10, and you can find items for as little as 99 cents on DREESSIN's website. But again, look at the details on this dress. I love the sleeves. This is definitely the star of the show, combined with the open back. To me, this dress right here is like a couple $100. Imagine this at a wedding, a nice cocktail event. This is your pretty much go-to dress. And you definitely want to go ahead and check out DREESSIN because they have, again, plenty of items, most of which is all under $10, especially those that are 99 cents. But I actually have partnered with them on this video. And if you guys use my link down below, you get a $6 rewards. Plus, there's an additional $8 if you guys download the app. And plenty of savings, especially with their different BOGOs and coupons. Free shipping, all of that. You definitely want to go ahead and check them out. I'll go ahead and leave all of the details in the description below, especially a link where you can go ahead and shop all these outfits or BOGOs and promos that you don't want to miss. But again, look at this details on this outfit. I'll come a little bit closer so you guys can see, especially with this earrings. And again, the back details on this dress over here. You don't want to miss this. There are plenty of summertime items as you'll see in this video, but I wanted to open up and just show you guys this amazing summertime dress. In keeping up with the summer kind of cocktail wedding vibe, this next dress over here is absolutely perfect. I really like the puffy sleeves on this dress over here, especially with this detail. You can dress it up, dress it down, think of like a nice walk around town, just something cute, summery. But I kind of went in the direction of doing it a little more formal. I have a bunch of weddings coming up, and to me, this is perfect for like a cocktail hour, a reception, something nice, fun, kind of casual. But I really, again, love the details in this. You can pair it with really cool jewelry, like on this one over here. I paired it with this gold choker, and just come again and look at this detail over here. But again, I want to make an emphasis on this. All these dresses are under $10. Most are 99 cents. You want to go ahead and look for the orange tag on the website. There's plenty of BOGO details, and look for those rewards. You definitely want to go ahead and take advantage of them because you can look super cute, especially if you guys are on a budget and just want something that is really high quality but doesn't come with that high quality price tag. But this is just another amazing outfit from DREESSIN that you could go ahead and think about adding it to your wardrobe. By the way, I'm going to link everything down below so you can shop all these looks, especially these really amazing dresses for the summer. In keeping up with those summertime vibes, I have the perfect pool cover up for you guys. Imagine, again, sitting in your hotel room in Mexico, in Vegas, going by the pool party, or whatever it is you guys are doing. This would be the perfect cover up, especially if you have a really cute swimsuit. Like I just paired this gold one underneath. This would be the perfect way to go ahead and show it off, especially, you know, getting something to eat, whatever it is you're doing. But really cute details, again, keeping with those 99 cent items under $10. Everything is. It doesn't feel like $10. Super cute, really comfy. Just throw it on. Really easy to pack in your suitcase, and that is really important for a cover up in any of these outfits. But this is the front of it. You can see the side details over here. I'll come a little bit closer too so you guys can go ahead and see. But this would be perfect to go ahead and pack in your suitcase for the summertime. I've actually worn this two-piece set out quite a lot lately too. To me, this is perfect. Like I live in Florida, I wear this out to the beach, to just walking around, especially when it's really hot. This is pretty much exactly how I would go ahead and wear it, with a pair of flip-flops, the skirt tucked in. I really like the skirt because it's super stretchy. It is high-waisted. I actually wear this out after the beach a lot too, because you feel like very sandy and you want something super cute just to throw on, especially if you have a dinner after. And this tank top, I really love the details on this strap over here. I think it just adds something unique. That's the front of it and that's the back, so you guys can go ahead and see it. But the skirt actually does have built-in shorts as well, which is one thing I really like about these. I hate when they're super short and you just feel like, you know, you can't really walk around because a breeze is going to come by, but not with these. They're super comfortable. Again, has that stretchy, elastic, high waist details, and I think they really go perfect for the summertime. This to me is your next complete leisure set. You definitely don't want to skip out on these outfits. These pants, I swear to God, are some of the most comfortable pants I've ever owned. But this way you can see the back and the front detail. They remind me of kind of like that clean girl aesthetic, getting a matcha latte, walking around. This is perfect for that. I just paired it with that same tank top again. But one thing I want to show you, just imagine this outfit, but I'll come over here and grab my chunky sweater so you guys can go ahead and see. But this is like the perfect airport outfit set. I'm going to the airport tomorrow. This is pretty much what I'm going to go ahead and wear. I can sit on this with a long flight, super comfortable, and especially if it gets a little chilly, just throw on the sweater and you look ready to go. You look really put together, but without sacrificing comfort over here. But again, super cute, comfortable, and I would definitely not go ahead and skip out on these pants. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Once again, my name is Madison Taylor, and a big shout out today to DREESSIN for sponsoring this video, especially all these amazing summertime outfits. I did want to remind you guys about the Cashgrab Rewards program. So what you would want to go ahead and do is download the app for DREESSIN. I'll link again everything down below, all of the outfits, everything you need to go ahead and shop these looks. But once you download the app, you'll be able to shop the 99 section, and after that, you'll be able to redeem those $8 rewards. So this is something you don't want to miss out, especially if you guys are first time shopping from DREESSIN. It's free shipping, all the details, but you want to go ahead and definitely sign up for those Cashgrab Rewards programs. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Please leave a comment down below, and remember, everything is under $10, especially that $99 section over there. You don't want to miss out. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one. Take care now.